Alright, so I'm gonna teach you finger tooting. Alright, I'm gonna teach you three. The last one was the one I made. So the first two I got these from YouTube. So I'm just gonna teach them to you. Alright, first start like this. Then you go down, and then go like this. Then the arm that you slide it down, you move it up to here. Then you go up, then you go down, then you go across, then you do this. Well, this, when you do this, all you're doing is like sliding it across and then bringing it down until it touches. Until it touches, then you just move it around until you come back to this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. So just rewind it. Just rewind it if you need to see it again. So I'm gonna do it in fast motion. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Second one, you go like this. And then whichever hand you want, just turn it down. And then you move your hand up like that. And then the hand that's up, which is gonna be like your left or your right. Like I prefer you do it. I prefer you have your left. I prefer you have your left up. I prefer you have your left up because to me, I move quicker. And then when you have your left up, just bring it down. And then slide it like this. And then just do this. When you do this, go like this. And then when you move, make sure your thumb goes down. Then one finger goes down, then the other, then the other, then the other. And then there's the other, then the other, then the other, then the other, then this. And then when you finish doing that, you're gonna blow. You're gonna blow. And when you blow, you're gonna stick out your thumb. And then you're gonna turn like this. And then you're gonna go like this. And with these two fingers, you're gonna go like that. It's just like you're doing this, but it's different. You could do it, you have to do it like this. You could do it like that if you want, or you could do it like this. Like just go across, make a square, then go down, then touch it like this, then turn around, then go across and make a square. Okay, go down, go across, and then bring it back up. Alright, so I'm gonna do first one and the second one in a combo. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry about that. It's just that sometimes I mess up, so let me do it again. Alright, so hope you like that one. I'm gonna do the last one, which I invented it. So first you start off like this, then whichever hand you want, it could be your left, you bring it up like that, or your right. So bring it up and then go down until your palm ends. And then what you do with that, your hand that is standing, you bring it down and then When you do that, you turn it around. Turn it around like this. And then you're just gonna turn it until you bring it back like that. Then you're gonna slide it across. Turn it like that. Then like that. So here it goes. So here it goes. Because my computer sometimes goes like in different colors and all that. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So I'm gonna do all three of them in a combo. Alright. Here, I'm gonna add some music to it. Alright. Here I go. Here. Here. Alright. Let's start this. Alright. Nigga start get my cat. Daddy, we can start juicing, hit my cat daddy, we can start juicing, hit my cat daddy, we can start juicing, hit my cat, hit my cat, hit my cat, hit my cat, hit my cat daddy, we can start juicing, like hit my cat daddy, then nigga start hit my cat daddy, we can start hit my cat daddy, we can start juicing, girls gon' chew, girls gon' hit my cat daddy, then nigga start juicing, hit my cat daddy, then nigga start girls gon' chew, niggas hit my cat daddy, then hit my cat daddy, hit my cat daddy, then hit my cat daddy, hit my cat daddy, then nigga start juicing, hit my cat daddy, we can start juicing, girls gon' chew, any niggas lose, the girls gon' chew, any niggas hit my cat daddy, then nigga start juicing, hit my cat daddy, we can start juicing. Young Sam, back with a hit, no Christmas, but I got this gift, and that's this flow, that ain't that funny, beat the beat up like it owe me money, yeah, I make a girlfriend happy, hit my cat daddy, and my dog like Scrappy, then I start juicing, and I ain't drinking, yeah, I'm the shit, but now I ain't stinking, take it girl, catch you when you blink, and money keep growing, your shit keep shrinking, when I was young, I was that kid, now I'm grown, now a nigga do it, king of jerk, if you wanna replay, YouTube jerk, that was me on the freeway, girls gon' choose, and you niggas losing, hit my cat daddy, then a nigga start juicing, cat daddy, we can start juicing, hit my cat daddy, then a nigga start, hit my cat daddy, we can start getting hit my cat daddy, we can start juicing, girls gon' choose, girls gon' hit my cat daddy, then a nigga start juicing, hit my cat daddy, then a nigga start getting girls gon' choose, niggas hit my cat daddy, then a nigga start juicing, jerking ain't big, cause I'm still in the movement, and I do it big, like fat folks, being had money, and y'all flat broke, break them off, no Kit Kat, without saying a word, no chit chat, and I'm fly, airplane status, all the way turned up, just like Travis, still wanna 6'9" a nigga, she with it, booty got swag, so a baseball hit it, young Wayne Gretzky, cause I'm iced out, chain so bright that I shine like a lighthouse, never go left, man, I only take the right route, and I go in, while y'all stay out, girls gon' choose, and you losing, hit my cat daddy, then a nigga start juicing, cat daddy, nigga start juicing, hit my cat daddy, then nigga start, girls gon' choose, nigga start, that mean they gon' choose up, nigga start juicing, either you or me, hit my cat daddy, then these niggas losing, hit my cat daddy, then nigga start, girls gon' choose. Okay, I'm done. Some of this I just did whatever. I just wanted to wait to the music ended, so hope you liked it. Peace out.